Where you at?
Oh, hell nah, bro. Imagine. He's always fucking like, where you at, bro? Where you at? Telling you, they're all either drunk or some shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a little confused too.
Oh, nah, bro. That's why you can't handle alcohol, man. It's better for you not to drink, bro.
Yeah, apparently it takes 1 hour for your liver to break down alcohol.
Yeah, motherfuckers be gulping shit like it's water and shit, bro.
Well, 1 can of beer, but it takes 1 hour apparently.
That's crazy.
It don't matter who you are. It still takes 1 hour to break it down.
Damn, bro.